Hi guys, and welcome back to another nice time video. Today's video is a bit different, well, not different, but a bit special. So today I'm going to be showing you how I dyed my hair this lovely bubblegum marshmallow unicorn coloured hair. It was a very spontaneous hair dyeing job. I came across this bunch of hair dyes that my sister bought me. I'll show you them because they're wicked, guys. Thanks sis. And I thought, why not dye your hair one of these lovely bright bold colours? So I got a cheap wig of AliExpress and dye the hair. The hair dyes, I don't know if you can purchase them in the UK, but if you are interested in how you can buy them or get your hands on some of them, DM me, email me, and I can hook you up or let you know some way of how you can get them. So let's get into this video. It's a short, quick, snappy one this time, and I hope you like it. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys. So the products that I used for this hair dye was the iron color brights in the color sharp blue, rose, mint, and azure. I also used a mixing bowl, clips, as well as some brushes and a brush to brush with the hair. The hair dye was quite simple to put together. I just followed the instructions in the box, and all you need to do is really just pour it into a bowl. But I did add some white conditioner to it just because I wanted some of the colours to be lighter. So I kept on adding a white conditioner until I got the colour that I wanted and mixing it all together. Once I had all the hair dyes mixed together, I started to apply it to the hair. I decided that I wanted the dark sharp blue colour to be at the roots and then let it kind of ombre into the pink. So I went dark blue, or Mr. Sharp blue, azure, mint, then pink, and I kept on doing that across the whole of the first row of the hair. When it came to the second row, I decided that I wanted to switch things up and have pink roots. So I put the pink hair dye at the roots, and I went with the mint, then the azure, then the sharp blue, and I continued that method across the whole of the second row. And then when it came to the next row, I just did this original method that I did with the sharp blue and the pink at the ends. came to the closure, I decided that I wanted the roots of it to be pink, or the majority of it to be pink. So I did about a third or half a way down with pink, and then I used the different blues that I had left on the tips, and I alternated between the two colours across the closure. I then realised that I wanted to have 2 strips at the front, one just to be whole pink and one of them to be a whole blue colour. So you see that I've separated the hair to, you know, part it and make one side pink and the other side blue. Once the hair was completely covered, I left it on for about 30 minutes and I washed it out with shampoo. And this is the end result, guys. I had to put a snap clip because I forgot to film the end result. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. Comment, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.